Hey everyone, if you have been hearing out Comfy UI but don't know where to start and you are in the right place, today I will show you exactly how to use Comfy UI to build your own AI image workflows step by step. We will go over setting up nodes, connecting models, adjusting prompts, and understanding the logic behind the workflow system. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create your own custom image generation pipeline if you are a complete beginner. So this is the URL of the website comfy.org. This URL I have already pasted in the description of this video. You can just simply click on the link available in the description and you will reach to this website. The overall layout of this Comfy UI website is very simple, and I will teach you step by step guide of how to do this. Okay, so first of all we are going to click on this launch Comfy Cloud, and we are also going to need to create an account on this website as well. Okay, so just follow all the steps as shown in the video. Okay, so here you can see that is a login page or the sign up page at Comfy UI. Okay, so here I'm going to continue with Google because it's super easy and it will automatically fetch all of my details from my Google account. Okay, so that's how your account will be easily created. So I'm going to select my Gmail account here, and then I will just select continue button and give permission to use my account. Okay, so let's click on this continue button. So as you can see that it has successfully logged in into our account. Now we have to answer the simple question: how familiar are you with? We are new to Comfy. So let's select continue. For we want to do for my own workplace. Let's continue. What's your prime industry? So let's suppose we want to select education, and we want to going to use it for making images workflows. Okay, so I've just submitted these details. Now it will ready our dashboard account, so I will take you through how you can use the dashboard. Okay, so basically it's the dashboard. Here you can see there, you can see that there are multiple ready-made templates. You can use any of them, or you can also select this model filter and you can select any of the available model engines, and then you can use the case like you want for the audio editing, audio to video, control net, anime, 3D, or API based. You will have a lot of options. As you can also see the mockup. Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about the image generation. So here you can see that we have the generation type of the image, so you can select any of these. There are multiple, like as you can see that the one of them is like the image turbo fun union control net, and the other one is text to image generation. This one is also for the text to image generation, and this one generates photorealistic images with multi reference consistency. Okay, so there are multiple options you can use. Let's suppose we want to go for the text to image. Okay, so I have selected this, and as you can see that it has given us all the nodes, each and everything. Here you can see these uh, workflows and the nodes. So here you can see that it has added all this information: step 1 for the load model and step 3 as well. So in this section you can see there is a option for the assets. Okay, the assets that have been generated will show up here. Okay, and it's a node library here. All the files are available here regarding this workflow, and you can also select for the model library from this option. Okay, as you can see that it has multiple models here. Okay, so in this option you can go for the workflows that you have created, but right now we haven't created, we are going with the ready-made template. Okay, so in this section if you want to change the template, you can simply directly change from this option. Okay, so that was all about how you can create an image generation model with the help of these workflows for text to image with prompt. Okay, so I hope you get an idea how you are going to use these templates for the workflows. So that is all about Cloud Comfy. I have given the link of this website in the URL. You can simply sign up for that link as well. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.